Maintain the shine, blood, sweat, and tears. Bowlers make use of everything at their disposal. Follow this old adage. To keep one side shiny, allow the other to scuff up and shape the ball past the unsuspecting bat. However, it is blatantly obvious that it's the new ball that swings the most. But hang on. With two shiny sides and no surface contrast, how can the new ball possibly swing? From Glenn McGrath to Mohammad Shami, bowlers renowned for their perfectly straight seams rarely move the ball in the air. Upon closer examination, we see that the ball's orientation and the airflow around it are symmetrical, resulting in negligible lateral movement. At the same time, it creates a region of airflow separation behind the ball called the wake, also symmetrical, confirming the ball's resultant path, a no-swing delivery. However, when a swing bowler steams in with the new ball in hand, they release the ball with an angled seam to generate asymmetry, so that once the airflow splits on the non-seam side, there is a smooth flow of air or laminar flow. On the seam side, however, the seam trips the airflow into a chaotic or high-energy turbulent flow, which helps the airflow adhere to the surface, leading to late separation. This asymmetry, as you can see, results in a wake deflected towards the left, implying that the ball experiences a force in the opposite direction, an outswinger to the left-handed batter. To understand this, imagine a jetpack with two outlet nozzles. Now, if the left nozzle is fired, which way do you think the jetpack will launch itself? You guessed it, to the right. Similarly, angling the seam in the opposite direction results in an in-swinger to the left-handed batter. In a nutshell, the new ball swings opposite to the side of early separation. And this is how bowlers use the inherent seam of the ball to make it hoop around corners, making life rather difficult at the top of the order. Which current bowler is the best exponent of new ball swing? Comment below and stay tuned to Wicket to Wicket.